lot of favorite toys when it comes to infant development and how to promote growth and development and motor milestone skills, but my favorite might surprise you. And it actually is something that you probably already have at home, or it's very inexpensive and you can get it easily. My favorite toys for babies who are just learning how to sit or are really good at sitting is a laundry basket. I know that might seem kind of silly, but as long as you are one-on-one and ready to engage with your baby, the laundry basket is a perfectly safe tool that you can use to play with your infant and really help promote that development. So a couple reasons that I love the laundry basket. The first one being that it's small and it's contained and you can be right there one-on-one actively engaging with your baby. So the best thing about it is that you can put your baby in the laundry basket and it provides great support for them to sit up. So if they're just learning how to sit and they have really good head control, but maybe they're still lacking a little bit on that core strength, you can put them in the laundry basket and it gives them just the right amount of space to be able to play, but also provide them with that support so that they don't fall over backwards or fall over side to side the whole time that you're playing. The other really great thing is that you can keep their toys right within reach. You can even hook them onto the little holes that are in the laundry basket, and everything is right there so that they can easily reach and play with it, but they don't fall over too much when reaching for a toy that they fall and get hurt or get frustrated when trying to play. So make sure it's an infant around ages 4 to 6 months when they're just learning those skills of starting to sit up, but you want to make sure that they have really good head and neck control. Another great way to use the laundry basket is for a little bit of movement. So you can do some gentle side to side movement, and it's a really good way to work on balance with your baby, and they're strengthening those core muscles, especially on the side, as they're rocking side to side. You want to make sure that you're supervising this, of course, and that you're moving nice and slow. If your baby is sitting with their back flat against the side of the laundry basket, you can move them front to back, and it's a really good way to strengthen those tummy muscles in the front and the muscles in the back, because they're working on starting and stopping and contracting those muscles, which really just increases their stability, and it's going to make them really good at independent sitting when it's time for that skill. Make sure if you try this at home, you're supervising your baby closely. And the way that you know that you're done with the laundry basket is if the baby tries to stand up, of course, or pull on the side. You don't want them flipping over. Let me know if you try this at home, and what are some other toys that you have used from everyday items that you use at home.